Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the key Windows features. Use PowerShell as administrator and run the WSL and virtual machine platform commands. Once done, restart immediately to apply changes. Then choose a distro, Ubuntu is common, and install it from the store, or run WSL install to automate both WSL and a default distro. Make sure to create a Unix username and password when the distro first launches, because that account controls sudo access and file permissions later on. Once your distro runs, the how becomes practical. Update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y, then install essentials like git and curl. You access Windows drives under /mnt, for example, /mnt/c, which lets you edit Windows files from Linux safely. Make your shell comfortable. Install ZSH, change default with CHSH, and add aliases in bashrc or ZSHRC. Also, configure Windows terminal profiles to point to WSL so you can open your Linux shell directly from a tab. To finish, add developer conveniences. Create SSH keys with SSH keygen TED 25519, load them with SSH agent, and connect to remote repos. For editing, install VS Code and the remote WSL extension, then run code. To open the current folder in the editor. If something breaks, try WSL update to get the latest kernel, then WSL shutdown to restart instances. If persistent, disable and re-enable WSL features in PowerShell and reboot. This often clears permission or startup problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.